For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli are two of the very best cricketers India has ever produced and this sport has ever seen. Dhoni and Kohli's greatness is not just limited to their playing style, as they are two of the most successful captains when it comes to Indian cricket. The former Indian skipper's resume is a testament to his historics on the field, as Dhoni is the only captain ever to win all three ICC trophies. India won T20 World Cup in 2007, 50 Over World Cup in 2011 and Champions Trophy in 2013 under the leadership of Dhoni. Under Virat Kohli, Team India has become a world-beating side across all the three formats and have performed well both at home and abroad. However, one stain on Virat's resume so far is that the 31-year-old has failed to propel India to an ICC title under his leadership. Former Indian cricketer Lakshman Sivaramakrishnan has now revealed what he thinks is the major difference between Dhoni and Kohli's captaincy. Lakshman Sivaramakrishnan has said that MS Dhoni is more of a bowler's captain while Kohli is more aggressive and expressive. Virat Kohli is a very proactive and instinctive captain. He gives him a lot of energy and he is still getting better and better. Best part about Kohli as captain, he leads from the front, not only scoring runs with the bat but also the energy that he possesses. Both are different captains. Virat is more of an aggressive and expressive kind of captain and MS is quite laid back and you can hardly read from his facial expression and what his body is speaking about. But MS Dhoni is more of a bowler's captain, which is a big advantage for any bowler. Virat Kohli on the other hand is a live wire with his energy because he always has some ideas for bowlers. The approach is important, but what is more important is the result. Dhoni and Kohli might have a different style, but both of them have tasted huge success while leading the men in blue. India won 110 games and lost 74 matches in 200 ODIs under MS Dhoni's captaincy. Under Virat Kohli, India has won 62 matches in 89 ODIs with a win percentage of 71.83. One mega positive for India has been the smooth transition from Dhoni's Indian team to Kohli's Team India. Lakshman Sivaramakrishnan also compared Virat Kohli to the Australian team of 90s and early 2000s. Virat Kohli doesn't mind losing games because he plays to win. That's what Australia did in the 90s and 2000s. That's why they were so successful. You just want to go, try and win a game, and in the process, if you lose, it's part and parcel of the game. The only criticism for Virat Kohli is that he has not been able to win a major tournament as leader. Former Indian cricketer Gautam Gambhir recently also highlighted the same flaw in Virat's captaincy. It is a team sport. You can keep scoring your own runs. There are people like Brian Lara who have scored so many runs. There are people like Jack Callis who have won nothing. Virat Kohli at the moment has won nothing, to be honest, as a leader. He has a lot to achieve. You can keep scoring those big runs, but in my opinion, till you win those big trophies, you will never be able to fulfill your entire career. It goes without saying, Kohli and Dhoni have given so much to the game of cricket, especially to Indian cricket. Both are legendary cricketers and both have given so much to the game of cricket.